Good morning, YouTube. I wanted to do a quick update for you guys. Let you know how everything was going with the Cutlass. I haven't done very many driving videos for it because my license is currently suspended.
Suspend my license. My license been suspended. Hell, you ain't doing nothing. I ain't had a license 38 years. What the hell stuff?
But I decided to take it out to Mexico the other night. And I got a few clips for you guys. I had a couple of issues, nothing real serious. But I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you comment, I will answer. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment, or the link to my email is in the description. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Oh, that bitch went to third. Okay, so as you can see in the video, if anything, it does a hell of a good burnout. But I was having problems. I'm running a turbo 350 trans, and I don't have a kickdown cable hooked up. So after my burnout, it was going to second gear and not going back to first. I wasn't paying attention and had some issues with that. Also, my my transmission mount had broke up under the car, and it's kind of hard to see. The transmission is sitting cockeyed and causing my shifter to mess up, because this car still has a column shifter. I'm sorry if it's hard to understand me, guys. I don't know if you guys know or not, but I just had all my teeth pulled yesterday. Got some dentures. I'm getting used to it. So please stay tuned, guys.